What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video, y'all. In today's video, I am gonna show y'all some smoking hot Walgreens deals y'all can do all this week. Plus, on top of that, how I got 200 and something dollars in items for probably $63, y'all. I am going to show y'all how, if y'all just follow my lead, y'all too can achieve this. You might have to switch around some items because I know stores be running out of stuff, but you can do this. And I messed up on a transaction, not for real, but I kind of did. And I'm going to give y'all another scenario of what I should have done. Even though I still came out good on that transaction, it's just when I get in the store sometime, I lose train of thought of what I'm doing. But yeah, y'all, so y'all got this, and let's get into these deals. But before we get into these deals, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into these Walgreens deals. Okay, y'all, here is my first transaction. We got the 6 equals 12 Bounty towel paper, 2 of the Neutrogena makeup removing wipes, and 2 of the Garnier Fruity shampoo and conditioner. So what I was doing, y'all, I had a coupon where if you spend $35, you get $7 Walgreens cash back. I had that, and then I was trying to do this week. We got spend 45 in store or online and get back $10. So this is the transaction that I told you I messed up on, but let me tell you how things went and how things could have went. Okay, starting off with the Bounty 6 equals 12. They are $11.99. 2 of them is $23.98. We have 2 coupons for these. Some apps have them, some apps don't. Because like I said, well, I didn't say this, but one of my apps didn't have the 305 off, and the other one did. So I just went with the app that had it. So it's $23.98. We have $3.05 coming off one, and $1 coming off one, making these $19.93. Pay that, and you are going to get a $4 register reward back. Here's my $4 back. And it will make both of these $15.93 or $7.96 each, which is not bad, y'all, for Bounty, because I refuse to buy Bounty towel paper if it isn't a great sale on it. Then we have the Garnier Fructis. They are both $3.99 this week. So 2 of them is $7.98. We have a $4 digital coming off, making them $3.98. You're going to pay that. Get back a $2 register reward, which is right here. This is what it should look like. Compliments of Garnier. You're going to get your $2 back, making these $1.98 or 99 cents each. Then this week they gave us the Neutrogena deal again, where if you get 2 of the makeup removing wipes, you get a $7 register reward back. Now the ones I have right here are $5.99 each, totaling $11.98. We have $4 coming off, making them $7.98. Pay that, get your $7 register reward back. And I don't have that, y'all, because I used it in another deal. But it's going to look something like this, and it's going to have $7 on it for you to use in store. Making these 98 cents or 49 cents each. And I know if your store is out of the $5.99 ones, you can pick up the $6.99 ones, but adjust your total accordingly when you do that, because it makes stuff a little bit higher. And then yeah, these was 49 cents each. Okay, so the total for all of these items was 31.89 after coupons. I paid that and I got back $13 in register reward, $7 in Walgreens Cash, making the final total for all of these items $11.89 are $1.98 each. So the scenario is, if I made it to $46, if I added like two more items onto this, or just say one more item, and then my total was $46, and then after coupons I paid $31.89. I would have got back, say, $13 in registered rewards, $17 in Walgreens Cash, making the final for the items $1.89 or 27 cents each, y'all. So I didn't quite make it to that $45, $46 price range before the coupons came off. So therefore I did not get that 10 when you spend $45. I just got that 7 when you spend 35 back. But something is better than nothing, and that's how I told y'all I messed up this transaction, because I still came out good, but I'd rather pay 27 cents for these items besides $1.98. But it's better than paying $10, $20, so I can't complain. Now that's the first transaction. Now let's get into the second transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my second transaction, and I tried to cram everything up here so y'all can see what I got. Okay, y'all, starting off with the Squishmallows. The 8-inch Spider-Man is on sale for $2.60. It's part of the Easter stuff, and even though it doesn't have an Easter tag, a lot of people do not know, but it is part of the Easter stuff. So it's $2.60. Regular price is $12.99. Also, this Stitch that has the little Disney thing on there, the Squishmallows, $1.40, y'all, part of the Easter. This little birdie has a Easter tag as well. The little purple tag is Easter. So it was $1.40. And this Snoopy, part of the Easter stuff, it was $1.40. And I think they have bigger ones like this. I'm not for sure. I couldn't find it. But it's part of the Easter stuff as well. And also the Sonic and the Toy Story, they have regular looking tags. So be on the lookout for these as well, because they are $1.40, part of the Easter stuff. Now, moving on, we have the Tide Pods, free and gentle. They were on clearance for $11.49. We have a $3 digital coming off, making them $8.49. So to all my free and gentle lovers, be on the lookout for these clearance items. They also have the liquid, and it was $11.99, but I decided to do the pods because they were $11.49. And on the liquid one, you get $3 off as well. Then on these well, I'm going to just go in order what's on my list. Now, what else I have? Okay, this Walgreens body wash. It's the Moisture Rich body wash on clearance for $1.49. Then I picked up two more of the Fruities. They were $3.99 each, $7.98. We have $4 coming off, making them $3.98. Pay that, get your $2 register reward back, making them $1.98 or 99 cents each. Then on these Safeguard hand soaps, which are the best, y'all, they don't dry your skin out, and they leave it like you have put lotion on or something, like, because a lot of the hand soaps dry your hands out. But no, not Safeguard. It is a good soap, y'all. But caught these on clearance for $1.39 each. So two of them was $2.78. We have a dollar off 2 coupon in the Walgreens app, making these both of these $1.78 or 89 cents each. Then on the Gain Flings right here, they were on clearance as well for it's kind of dark in here, but you can see it says Ultra Oxy Waterfall Delight, and they were $9.49. We had a $2 digital coming off, making them $7.49. Then on this Hygienic Clean Tide, and it's the 34 ounce, the small one, it was $4.29 on clearance. We had a dollar coming off of that as well, making it $3.29. Then I picked up 2 of these Colgate items. I wanted 2 of the mouthwashes right here, but they were gone, so I had to get a toothbrush and a mouthwash. They were $5 each, totaling $10. We have a 4 off 2 coming off, making both of these $6. You're going to pay that, and you are going to get this back, a $5 register reward, making these $1 or 50 cents each. And then I had to do a playback on this Hello. It's the spearmint, so it's green, so you'll be able to know. But it's the spearmint kind of Hello, and it is $6.99. We have a $5 digital coming off, y'all, making this $1.99. So after coupons came off, I used $15 in register rewards, and I had Walgreens Cash on my account, so I used $10. And out of pocket, what I paid after all of that was $24.48, and I got back $7 in register rewards. It was 2 for the Garnier, 5 for the Colgate. I got that back, and then I got my $10 Walgreens Cash back, y'all, for spending, well, getting to $45. So the final cost for all of these items you see, y'all, was $7.48, making each item 44 cents, y'all. That is an impressive transaction, if you ask me. 44 cents for all of these items, and I even got some squishmallows for my sonny boy. Well, that's what I call my grandson, Sonny Boy. But yeah, y'all, all of this 44 cents. I haven't been in Walgreens in like, I used to shop at Walgreens every day, y'all, but then I started venturing off into other stores because everybody is having clearance on detergent or something that I want. So I haven't been able to focus on Walgreens, but y'all, I had to remember Walgreens is where I was saving money at and getting a lot of items for a little or nothing. But y'all, have one more transaction I want to show y'all that y'all can do. Simple transaction. And yeah, let's get into this last transaction so we can end this video. Okay, y'all, here is my very last transaction, y'all. And we gonna start off with the game products. They are currently 3 for $10 this week at Walgreens. You can get the liquid. These dryer 120 count dryer sheets are the trial size, which is the 5-ounce beads. I didn't need no more of the small liquid, so I went with these. They do not have any coupons, but 3 for $12 is not bad at all. Then I picked up 2 of the Scott toilet papers. They are $5 each. We have a 2 off for 2 and a $1.25 off, and the $1.25 comes off for each one, and the $2 comes off for both of them, which is $4.50. So it'll make both of these $5.50. Then on the Scott towel paper, it is $5. We have a $1.25 that's coming off of that as well. The $2 won't come off, but the $1.25 will, making this $3.75. So once everything was rung up, coupons came off. I used $9 in register rewards. It was a $7 register reward I got back from the Neutrogena wipes, and a $2 register reward that I got back from one of the Garniers. So that's $9. Then I had $10 on my Walgreens account. I used that. So out of pocket, what I paid out of my own money was $2.34, making each item 39 cents each. So 39 cents on these type of items, y'all. You cannot beat that. So if you have a little register rewards and a little Walgreens cash to spare, you can pay $2.39 out of pocket for these items as well. Just all you do is buy some items to get you some register rewards, then roll those register rewards on other products in the store, likely that you probably want to get for cheaper or that you don't get register rewards back for. But yeah, $2.39. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all are able to get out to Walgreens this week. It is Sunday today, so y'all got the whole week, even the weekend, to get out to Walgreens. Don't wait too late. Shelves will be cleared, especially on some of that clearance detergent that they have. And I had a video showing some of the clearance items at Walgreens. So if you haven't checked that out, check it out. And if you are watching and not subscribed, what are you waiting for? It will help me out tremendously on my channel if you just hit that subscribe button. It is free all day, every day. And don't forget to turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.